What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ed Fernandez once again. In this tutorial, I'm gonna bring you guys a easy cut, one all over. I'm gonna be using the Zupras ZR with a number 1/8, which is a little bit shorter than 1.5, all over. We're gonna be cutting against the grain. We have a hand or a comb on hand to cut away the excess hair. Now, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so now. Like, share it, give it that thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, it will mean a lot to me. So you don't miss out on the next videos as well. Turn that notification to on. Alright, this client wants his beard also done, so we're gonna do a 1/8 on his beard, so 1/8 all over, cutting against the grain. Pretty simple cut, do it yourself cut at home, or like this client, come to the shop and do it. At the end, we're also gonna do some enhancement, so you can see the difference between the regular and a little bit of enhancement to make it look a little bit better or cover those empty spots. Now always keep in mind, disinfect your tools before and after each use. Keep your tools disinfected, especially right now with the COVID going on. Now, pretty simple using the TL liners. I'm gonna start on the right side of the head. With my index finger, I'm just gonna bend the ear down and I'm just gonna loop around very lightly. I like to start on that side always. It's a little easier for me. As you see here, I was using both of my hands to get better precision. The rear area of the neck, we're gonna do it rounded. We're gonna edge the front and we're gonna edge the beard as well. Now, have I mentioned in some of my other videos, I always like to start working my way towards the outside, from the middle to the outside. This way, it prevents for me to push the hairline back. Especially if you can see on this client, the corners of his hairline are a little lighter. I don't want to start there and pushing it back, then I'm going to have to take most of the front and the middle out to make it more of a straight line. What you do on one side, you're gonna do on the next. Now, when I'm edging a beard, I like to have my client still sitting down. This way I could look on the front and make sure that with my TL liners, I'm creating the same line on both sides, as symmetrical as possible before I lay down my client or I tell my client to lay his head back. I like to do it while he's sitting up straight. This way it helps me create a straighter line, if you want to say it that way.
La bruja de mis hechizos. Un romance sin balance. Tan cerca de mí, tan distante. Y eso lo hace interesante. Y somos ángeles y demonios. Ángeles y demonios. Ángeles y demonios.
Now, using my Andis Pro Foil shaver, of course, we're gonna disinfect them before we're gonna use the air hose to take the axis out. I like to flip it upside down, facing the foils down towards the floor when I'm using the air hose. This way it was gonna take all the axis of the spray, disinfectant spray, or the other particles of hair that were there before. As you can see here, I'm just blowing it out, getting it ready for the client's use. Now what we created with the TL liners, all we're gonna do is clean it. I'm using the Dorcor Prime blades in here. Pretty much I'm just stressing the skin with my other hand with the thumb, lightly, not too high up, because then you're gonna start creating another line. And I'm just cleaning out what I already did with the TL lines. I'm not creating a new line, simply I'm just cleaning it out. Now you could use shaving gel as you prefer. Any kind will help. In some cases I like to do a dry, as you can see here. Now we're gonna turn out to the enhancement part. I'm using the TUM 45 mix. It comes already mixed. Make sure you shake it well. Any compressor will do as well. TUM 45 has a very nice compressor as well. This one here, I got it on eBay. Now, since this client complexion is pretty light, I don't wanna throw it too hard. I don't want to throw too much ink. I just want to do it from far away and very lightly so it looks more natural. And once I'm done with the spray or the enhancement, I like to go over it once again very lightly with my razor, just to make that edge pop a little bit better. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, this tutorial. If you have any questions, comment down below. It would mean a lot to me if you do subscribe, turn that notification on so you don't miss out on the next tutorial. You could also subscribe to my Instagram, A_B_Fernandez. I will see you guys around. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks.